Looking to upgrade your laptop or desktop setup? Want to make your workspace more efficient and more comfortable? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we are diving deep into the world of computer accessories. We'll explore the top 20 additions that can turn a simple computer setup into a unique, well-equipped workspace. Because let's face it, a comfortable and efficient workspace is key to productivity. So stick around to discover the top 20 accessories that will transform your computer setup into a productivity powerhouse. Starting off our list at number 20, we have an accessory that may seem simple but can drastically improve your computing experience: a high-quality mousepad. With its smooth surface, it not only provides an optimal tracking environment for your mouse, but also adds a touch of personal style to your workspace. Coming in at number 19, let's talk about the laptop stand. This is not just an object to elevate your laptop, it's a tool to enhance your productivity and comfort levels. It allows you to adjust your laptop's height to align with your line of sight, preventing neck strain and promoting better posture. Now let's move on to number 18, the USB hub. In an era where we're constantly connecting devices, a USB hub can be a real game changer. It expands your computer's connectivity options, allowing you to plug in multiple devices simultaneously. Whether you're a photographer transferring photos or a gamer needing extra ports for your gear, a USB hub can make your life so much easier. At 17, we have the keyboard cleaner. Between eating at our desks and the daily wear and tear, our keyboards can get pretty grimy. A keyboard cleaner can help keep your keyboard looking brand new and functioning smoothly. It's a small investment for maintaining a piece of equipment you use every day. Finally, for number 16, we introduce the monitor arm. If you're working with multiple screens or simply want more desk space, a monitor arm is an ideal solution. It allows you to position your monitors at the perfect height and angle, making multitasking a breeze. Plus, it gives your setup a clean, organized look. Impressive, right? But we're just getting started. Let's move on to the next 5 accessories. Continuing our countdown, at number 15, we have the essential webcam cover. In an age where digital privacy is more important than ever, this small but mighty accessory is an absolute must-have. It safeguards you from potential hackers and gives you peace of mind knowing you're in control of your own privacy. Plus, it's sleek, compact, and easy to install. Moving on to number 14, let's talk about the desk organizer. Nothing kills productivity faster than a cluttered workspace. A desk organizer not only keeps your tech gear neatly arranged, but also contributes to a cleaner, more focused environment. It's an investment in your peace of mind and efficiency. Coming in at number 13, we have the laptop cooler. If you're someone who pushes their laptop to its limits, a laptop cooler is an absolute game changer. It helps dissipate heat, ensuring your laptop performs at its best without overheating. It's like giving your laptop a breath of fresh air. At number 12, we're talking about the wireless keyboard. Say goodbye to tangled cables and hello to freedom of movement. A wireless keyboard provides the flexibility to set up your workspace exactly how you want it. Whether you're gaming or working, it's all about comfort and efficiency. And rounding off this segment at number 11, we have the wireless mouse. Like its keyboard counterpart, a wireless mouse offers flexibility in a clutter-free workspace. It's not just about aesthetics, but also about enhancing your workflow and making your tech space work for you. And we still have our top 10 to go. You won't want to miss these game-changing accessories. Breaking into our top 10, at number 10, we bring you a quality USB microphone. Perfect for those work-from-home meetings, podcasting, or even for your gaming needs. This accessory will surely enhance the quality of your audio, making your voice clearer and more professional. Next, at number 9, we have a wireless charger. Say goodbye to the mess of tangled wires on your desk. All you need to do is place your phone on the pad and let it do the magic. Not only does it keep your workspace neat, but it also provides you with the convenience of charging your phone without having to plug and unplug it. Moving on to number 8, we introduce a Bluetooth speaker. Whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or attending a virtual meeting, a Bluetooth speaker can provide you with high-quality sound. It's portable, easy to use, and can be paired with your laptop or desktop in seconds. At number 7, we have a laptop lock. Security is paramount, and this accessory ensures just that. With a laptop lock, you can secure your laptop to a desk or any fixed structure, providing you with peace of mind when you need to step away from your workspace. Finally, for this segment at number 6, we present a digital drawing tablet. This is an ideal accessory for artists, designers, or anyone who enjoys digital art. With a digital drawing tablet, you can sketch, paint, and design directly onto your computer. It offers a more natural and precise way to create digital art, making your workspace not just efficient but also versatile. Exciting stuff, isn't it? But the best is yet to come. Let's unveil our top 5 accessories. We're down to our top 5. At number 5, we present the monitor light bar. This sleek piece of technology isn't just a stylish addition to your setup. It provides an adjustable, glare-free light source that reduces eye strain during those late-night work or gaming sessions. The monitor light bar also comes with an automatic dimming feature that adjusts based on the surrounding light conditions, ensuring you always have the optimal lighting for your screen. Moving on to number 4, we have the mechanical keyboard. This isn't your ordinary keyboard. Each key press on a mechanical keyboard provides tactile feedback, resulting in a satisfying typing experience that can boost your productivity. Plus, with customizable RGB lighting, you can personalize your keyboard to match your style or mood. At number 3, we introduce the high-definition webcam. In an era of virtual meetings and digital communication, a high-definition webcam is a must-have accessory. It ensures you appear crisp and clear during video calls, enhancing your professional image. Some models even come with built-in microphones and noise reduction technology, providing you with an all-in-one solution for your communication needs. Coming in at number 2 is the noise-canceling headset. Whether you're in a noisy environment or just want to immerse yourself in your work or game, a noise-canceling headset can make a world of difference. The technology filters out background noise, allowing you to focus on what's important. Plus, with high-quality audio drivers, you'll experience your music, games, and calls like never before. Finally, at number 1, we have the dual monitor setup. This accessory is a game-changer for multitasking. With 2 screens, you can have multiple applications open simultaneously, enabling you to work more efficiently. Whether you're editing videos, coding, gaming, or just browsing the web, a dual monitor setup can enhance your productivity and transform your computing experience. These are the top accessories that will take your computer setup to the next level, but remember, the best setup is one that works for you. And there you have it, the top 20 accessories for your computer setup. We ventured through the realm of ergonomics with adjustable chairs and standing desks, dabbled in the world of audio with high-quality speakers and headphones, and explored the convenience of wireless keyboards and mice. Each of these accessories, in their own unique way, aims to enhance your productivity while offering comfort and functionality. Remember, the perfect setup isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, it's a personal blend of what works best for you. Maybe you're a content creator who needs a top-notch microphone or a programmer who requires a mechanical keyboard. Your ideal setup should reflect your needs and preferences. So consider these top 20 accessories as a starting point, a launch pad to creating a workspace that's uniquely yours. Find the links to these accessories in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and guides. Thanks for watching.